小威哥今天呢，利用一点点的时间来研究一下昨天在那个国中的操场割草的时候呢，发现了一个状况，我的推草车割到一半突然间熄火，熄火之后呢，我想要再把它拉动的时候呢，拉动的拉绳卡住，拉不动，拉动的拉绳，这个，我实在拉不动了，拉不动。所以后来呢，昨天为了要赶工的时候，也没有去做一个很快速的故障排除，赶快就拿着那个杯式割草机，剩下一半的操场面积，跟师傅一起赶快把它处理掉。那我昨天呢晚上就上网去看了一下，我发现YouTube 上面几个那个美国的老外，他们针对这种割草车的一个故障排除建议的一个方法，就是针对这种拉不动、把手拉不动的方法，看了一下觉得还不难所以说呢，我就照着老外的方式呢来试试看。那我等一下我会先播放一下这一段简短的老外的影片。那我们看完之后呢，我们来实际来操作看看到底有没有办法把它故障排除。好，那我们等一下来看看咯。
You ever go to mow and your mower won't start? No, I'm not talking about you pull the rope, and it doesn't start. I'm talking about you can't pull the rope. Let me show you what I mean. Take that. It's got just a little, slack on it. It won't move. It's locked up solid. So let me show you what you need to do. First and most important thing before you do this, you are responsible for chopping your hands off. Always disconnect the spark plug wire before you even think about doing what I'm going to show you next. Now before anybody asks, yes, there's oil in here, absolutely. You can see it right on the stick. It's almost up to the full mark. So there's definitely oil in there, and there's no reason this should have happened. It's not like I ran it out of oil and it actually did seize. For some reason, every season it does this. So now here's the next thing to do. Okay, here's the underside of the mower. I just put a brick on the other end of the handle there. Wear some gloves or something. I've done this so many times that I don't need to. Your other option, if you don't want to do what I'm going to show you, is you can get a socket that'll fit the bolt here and turn that. But I think the blade is going to give you plenty of leverage. So grab onto the blade and just rock it back and forth. And you can see now that it spins as I do that. And now you'll notice that if we grab the rope, that's where it stops, and magically you can pull the rope. And we certainly have compression, so everything should be a go. So let me get it started for you now. Just remember to reconnect your spark plug wire, because otherwise it'll never start. Alright, let's see if we get a one pull wonder. So there you go.